Okay, so hello students. I think you all can hear me properly and even the board is clear. I mean visible,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
right? So let's start with the doubts. Some students have already sent me certain doubts. Let's solve them first. Okay. First, এটা কাম কৰা NCERT at your fingertips. ওলাইছা চবে?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. The first
hello,
question. হা কোৱা?
মেম মই মানে আপোনাক ডাউটছবোৰ সেন্ড কৰা নাই মেম আপোনাক ক্লাছৰ মাজতে ক'লে হ'বনে ডাউটছবোৰ
doesn't matter. খালি question number কেইটা কৈ দিবা।
yes ma'am
ঠিক আছে? Okay. The first was question number 6. Sorry, question number 5. Please take out your NCERT at your fingertips. And the first doubt was regarding question number 5. Which of the following groups consists of organisms which multiply by fragmentation? I think you remember in the class we have said, right? A maximum question comes from that types of asexual reproduction. What do you remember? Types of asexual reproduction? Kiman types of 5 types. And what I said, examples were important. And this question is also from that example base, right? So types of asexual reproduction ki porisu? Binary fission porisu, co-formation, right? Eneke ami 5ta porisu, fragmentation, regeneration, right? So ইয়াতে কি সুধিছে fragmentation. Answer to কোনটো হ'ব?
C.
Yeah, fragmentation. Whenever we have to answer about fragmentation, the first line that we need to remember is fragmentation. Who undergoes fragmentation? Any filamentous form will undergo fragmentation, right? Generally, filamentous forms will undergo fragmentation. This is what we have learned. So, in case of fragmentation, we have fungi, filamentous algae, and Protonema of moss. So, the answer would be C. Okay. And before solving the MCQs, what I would like to say is, ketiaba options of inequal lagibo, you will feel as if 2 options are correct. Sometimes you might feel, no, say A2 correct then lagise, A2 correct then lagise. What could be the best answer? So in that case, you have to choose the best answer, right? Eta option of jo gute information kini thakibo, that is something that you have to choose. All right. Next. Any more doubts from that page?
Ma'am, question number 4 देख लीजिए तो please.
Question number 4.
4. हाँ ma'am.
The statement, nothing lives forever, yet life continues, illustrates the role of. Nothing lives forever means everything is mortal, right? Even
Yes,
if
ma'am.
it's mortal, life continues. Dekho, reproduction ka what is we have learned, no? Why do organisms reproduce, or what is the importance of reproduction? So what we have learned,
Replication of life.
continuation of life, right? So here the best answer, because embryogenesis cannot be the answer, morphogenesis obviously cannot, replication also not, because whenever we are using the word replication, we are concerned with words like multiplication, right? Replication of DNA, by replication of or multiplication of bacteria, etc., etc. So if you are talking about continuation of life, the best option would be reproduction. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Another
Thank you, ma'am.
thing. Okay, welcome. Another thing, in your book, right, whatever MCQ book you are following, you have a section, you might have a section that is assertion and reason, right? But I don't think you should be more focused into assertions and reasons, because if you have gone through the previous year questions, assertion and reason is something not asked in your needs, right? Assertion and
Yes,
reason,
ma'am.
so there is no
Yes.
point of wasting your time solving your assertions and reasons, right? It's something that's not going to come. Right? Okay. Next, coming to question number 19. Plants were given Latin names because it is. We have to answer according to the options that are available. So Latin is a simple language. We don't have any idea. It's a common language. We have learned that what we have said is Latin was used because at that time it was the language of the scholars. This is what we have written it in the notes, if you remember, right? It is a common language. It is a dead language. None of this. So accordingly,
this.
accordingly, the answer is it is a dead language. আজিকালি আৰু লেটিনত লিখা নাযায়, right? Why is it? I mean, what is the importance of that? No, it is a dead language. কিহৰ কাৰণে? যদি এটা language dead হয়, no, that further modification is not possible. If it is a language that you often use or it's still being used, anytime any modification can take place in that language, right? You might add certain words, you might delete certain words from the language, right? Someone can place it in its own way, right? So there are chances of modification whenever a language is continuing or it is followed. But since Latin is a dead language, so we'll go by option C. And what would be the reason? Since further modification in that language is not possible.
Technically to সেইটো correct answer হ'ব নালাগে।
নহয়, technically চোৱা, তুমি simple language বুলি তো ক'ব নোৱাৰা। Option যি আছে তাৰ পৰাহে আমি answer to choose কৰিব লাগিব। Whatever might be the option, you cannot leave the question like that. You have to choose one among 10, right? So you cannot say that that's a simple language. না, none of this ক'ব নোৱাৰা কাৰণ dead language তো হয়ে, সেইটো আমি জানোৱে। হয় না? Simple language নহয়, এইটো আমি জানো, common language তো ক'বই নোৱাৰো, right? Okay. আৰু এটা কথা কি জানা? When you are doing your MCQs, there are certain questions which are a little bit of high standard, especially that thinking corner, HOT, এইবিলাক য'ত লিখা আছে, right? So if you compare those questions with the previous year NEET questions, from whatever years you might be following, you will see that the NEET question paper is not so tough. Consult কৰিছা নাই? Previous year NEET question পাইছা নাই? কোনোবাই পাইছে
Yes,
নে?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What have you seen? Maximum questions are simple. Yes or no?
Yes, NCERT based.
Except one or two. Or maybe maximum you'll have 3 questions that is a little bit complicated, or what you say is a little bit above NCERT. But rest of the questions are directly from NCERT, not exactly the line, but even then we have an idea from the NCERT book itself. So what I want to say is basic complicated questions don't spend your time. Because every time, at least last 10 years, আমি যে papers follow কৰো, what you have seen, that is maximum from the NCERT book itself. Yes? So if suppose a question you cannot do, right? এনেকুৱা এটা question আহিছে য'ত নেকি তুমি answer to পোৱা নাই, please don't lose your confidence. Don't have a feeling, you shouldn't be having a feeling that, okay, maybe I did not study well. No, not like that, right? Have confidence in yourself. NCERT bookot থাকা বস্তু যদি তুমি পঢ়িব নোৱাৰা, then might be you did not study yourself, properly, right? So there are certain questions in certain books কি হয় অকমান বেছি high level, তেনেকুৱা question কিন্তু 100% কেতিয়াও নাহে নিব, right? Except one or two.
Ma'am,
Okay,
21
whatever.
to চাবচোন।
কোনটো?
21 to ma'am এইটো
21
correct বহুত কিটা লাগিছে মানে কোনটো
which of the
বেছি perfect?
কিছুমান questions ভুলো আছে কিন্তু দেই, ক'বাত correct হৈ আছে, ক'বাত incorrect হৈ আছে, etc. etc. Which one of the following statements regarding the universal rules of binomial nomenclature is incorrect?
Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, question to বুজি পালো, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. বুজি পাইছো, ma'am. বুজি পাইছো question.
Okay. গম পাইছা ন? Obviously answer D, because maybe you have read the question like this, they কোনটো correct হয়.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Right?
Very sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, I know. No, doesn't matter. So whenever, this is the way you practice yourself, right? So whenever you read the question, put into a habit of underlining that word. Incorrect khudise, na correct khudise. Hey, what to underline kori lobasun? Then it will become easier. Okay? Put into a habit. Then question number 32. The internationally recognized binomial nomenclature was developed by Linnaeus in his book. Kuntu hobo?
A hobo.
It is Philosophiae Botanica. So, if books related বা যিমানবোৰ author related questions আহিছে ন, ইয়াৰ proper notes আমি ক'ত দিছো? Biological classification? Yes or no? Biological classification,
ma'am.
starting
Yes,
of the lesson itself, about 9 scientists and 9 workers and their contributions and the books they have written, right? So anything related, a question relating like this, relating to a book, please refer to the biological classification notes first lecture. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
কাৰণ লিভিং ৱৰ্ল্ডত আমি ইমান ডিটেইলছত কৰা নাই okay next question number 36 was a doubt which of the following
33 টো
statements
কৰিবচোন
30
3 33
33 1 minute linear describe এটা তো ডাইরেক্ট কোয়েশ্চন দিছো পুরা দিছো এটা নাই দিয়া নেকি
হ'ব
1753 or 1758 these are the only two publication dates that you have to remember 53 কিহৰ আছিলে plants or আছিলে regarding plants and 58 was regarding animals it is species centered ame Systema Naturae and to be more precise which edition of Systema Naturae Systema Naturae very good but which edition obviously the 10th edition of Systema Naturae next coming to question number 36 which of the following statements is incorrect regarding the modern taxonomy okay modern taxonomy ki koisile modern taxonomy do you remember the taxonomy I mean primitive taxonomy modern taxonomy but classical taxonomy and modern taxonomy those were the two words we have used right classical taxonomy based only on what morphological features aru modern taxonomy based on all characters except phylogeny yes or no
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
so let's see it deals
Ma'am,
with biological species
Phylogeny কোনটো হ'ব taxonomy?
ha
Ma'am, phylogeny কোনটো taxonomy মানে include হয়?
phylogeny what include kora hoise
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is phylogenetic classification second is we have read something called as systematic
Yes, ma'am.
right classical systematics and neo-systematics are at a part ki phylogeny we remember a line saying systematic or ulta ke kobo pora taxonomy is systematic without phylogeny or systematic is taxonomy with phylogeny the basic difference between taxonomy and systematics is taxonomy does not deal with phylogeny whereas if you are talking about systematics deals with phylogeny and what is phylogeny the evolutionary role of the organism right taxonomy
Yes,
ki include korisile morphology anatomy physiology right and one more ecology right কিন্তু systematics এইবিলাক তো থাকিবই তাৰ উপৰিও কি থাকিব phylogeny থাকিব okay coming to question number 36 it deals with biological species obviously it deals with biological species because we have to talk about the role of the evolutionary role also it is based on the study of all types of variations in the species yes species is considered to be static it has a biosystematic concept biosystematic concept মানে proper arrangement of plants and animals systematic আমি যদি কওঁ systematic has a biosystematic concept what is biosystematic concept biosystematically or in a proper way you classify the plants and animals that is what is called as biosystematic and taxonomy ho classification ho systematic se ho gute gitar kaam ki asile properly arranging the organism yes or no
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
we have read like this no taxonomy classification aru systematic ki asil synonyms bilake almost like a synonym right so the answer is he should say incorrect so species is considered to be static is that correct species static niki
Ma'am, static
Dynamic.
মানে কি?
static মানে without any modification সদায় একে ফৰ্মতে থাকিব
Ma'am, incorrect হ'ব।
কেনেকে হ'ব ন কাৰণ তাতো obviously variation modification genes we have sexual reproduction আছে সদায়তো কিবা নহয় কিবা এটা চেঞ্জ হৈ গৈ আছে নাই species বিলাকৰ
Yes,
people also say the intelligence level has what gradually increased with generation if static would have been if species would have been static তেতিয়াহ'লে আজি 50 বছৰ আগত যিটো ইন্টেলিজেন্স লেভেল আছিলে কি জানিবা এতিয়াও সেইটোৱে আছে but we know scientifically কি proof হৈছে যে as generations go by তাহাঁতৰ কি হয় ইন্টেলিজেন্স লেভেলটো বাঢ়ি যায় এটা বাঢ়ি যায় যিহেতু বাঢ়ি গৈছে we have a variation so species কি থাকে সদায় variations থাকে right variation does not mean now don't have this idea যে dog এটা cat হৈ গ'ল সেইটো হ'ব পাৰিব নেকি and who knows in the future it can be maybe you play with the genes right okay anyway come to that question so answer is C next number 44 amongst all kingdoms, the only taxon that exists in nature as a biologically cohesive unit is the cohesive মানে
আমি সেইটোৱে নাজানো
cohesive word to বুজি পোৱা নাই ন cohesive in this adhesion cohesion এইবিলাকটো আমি বহুত পঢ়িছো in this lesson cohesive means interbreeding among themselves right cohesive relation right interbreeding is something that is meant a line to herit nai NCERT book of 9 right this is something extra so cohesive মানে here we need
তেতিয়াহ'লে মেম স্পিচিজ হ'ব আনসাৰ
yeah answer is species yes কাৰণ cohesive unit এটা single cohesive মানে তুমি সব বস্তু এটা within that group এ কৰিব পাৰা right and সব বস্তু বুলি ক'লে biological point of view সবতছে important কি reproduction process right যেনেকে species of ইটো member they can interbreed among themselves if you're talking about two genus we don't say about it limitations so obviously আছে ন আমি biological concept of species পঢ়িছো তাতো limitations আছিলে right কিন্তু from interbreed point of view answer is species this one words নাই so para নাই যদিও problem নাই একো next question number 50 again select the incorrect statement with respect to the category genus it is a group of assemble of related species correct a genus essentially possess
Ma'am 49 to বুজাই দিয়ক
কোনটো
49
49 এক second মই 50 to half কৰি আছো তাৰপিছত 49 লৈ আহিম না select the incorrect statement with respect to the category genus it is a group of assemblage of related species correct a genus essentially possess more than one number of species next
may not be correct.
Ma'am নহয়
নহ'ব পাৰে
a genus essentially possess more than one number of species so ইয়াতে কি কৈছে যে genus যদি এটা গ্ৰুপক আমি genus বুলি কৈছো genus হ'ব লাগিলে সদায় দুটাতকে বেছি বা এটাতকে বেছি species থাকিবই লাগিব তেতিয়াহে genus হ'ব the meaning of the statement is as such that if it has to be categorized under the rank or taxa called as genus then hey genus to তলত বা within the genus কি থাকিব লাগিব বহুত species থাকিব লাগিব at least more than one but it is not correct because we have a term called as monotypic right monotypic genus তাৰমানে কি এটা genus য'ত অকল এটা type of species হে present that is called I think we understand the meaning of mono just one group of species that belongs to genus ইয়াৰ example এটা দিয়া আছে right genus Ginkgo includes only Ginkgo biloba এইটো এটা এক্সাম্পল হয় দেই এটা এক্সাম্পল বহুত আছে তো আমি জানো যে জেনাস আমি ডেফিনেশন ওয়াইজ আমি কি পঢ়িছো যে বহুতবোৰ স্পেচিছ একেলগে থাকি পেলাই জেনাস ফৰ্ম কৰে right কিন্তু কেতিয়াবা জেনাস এটাত অকল এটা টাইপ অফ স্পেচিছও ফৰ্ম কৰিব পাৰে right we have a word called as monotypic and the next word normal যোনটো আমি ডেফিনেশন পঢ়ো we are talking about polytypic genus য'ত এটা জেনাসৰ আন্ডাৰত বহুত স্পেচিছ থাকিব Question number 49. A collection of species which bear a close resemblance to one another in the morphological characters of the floral part is known as a collection of species which bear a close resemblance to one another. Collection of species বুলি কৈছে ন বাকি বিলাকটো তুমি next part of the sentence পঢ়িবই নালাগে collection of species will form কি will form genus বুজি পাইছানে কোনে সুধিছিলে 49 question to did you get the answer বাকি part of the sentence তুমি পঢ়িব দৰকারই নাই প্ৰথমতে কি কৈছে collection of species যে কোনটো category belong কৰে genus right কাৰণ family to কেতিয়াও নহয় family হ'ব নেকি আমি এইটো জানো না জানো জানো So collection of species family to form নকৰে, collection of species কি form কৰে? Hello? Is it clear? বুজি পালা ন যোনে সুধিছিলে? Next, question number 53. Which is the odd one in the following series? So, এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ যেতিয়া question আহে নহয়, it is not necessary that you would be aware of whatever option it is given. গোটেইকেইটা অপশ্যনৰ কথা যে তুমি জানিবই লাগিব বা তুমি জানা তেনেকুৱা একো কথা নাই। এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ questions বিলাকত অকমান জিকে oriented বা তেনেকৈও আমি অকমান ভাবিব লাগিব। Right? অকমান simple কে ভাবিবা। ইয়াত not necessary যে প্ৰত্যেকটো sapiensৰ কথা তুমি জানিব লাগিব, ৰটান্ডাছৰ কথা জানিব লাগিব, no. ইয়াতে ট্ৰিকটো কি? বাকীবিলাক চোৱাচোন চব স্মল লেটাৰ্ছত আছে, এটা কেপিটেল লেটাৰ্ছত আছে। হয়নে?
Yes.
আৰু স্মল লেটাৰ্ছত যেতিয়া লিখে তেতিয়া we know we are talking about the species, আৰু কেপিটেল লেটাৰত যেতিয়া লিখে obviously it's a genus, তাৰমানে তিনটা কি হয়? Species, এটা genus হয়। Right? Next is the suffix, question number 57. The suffix oily is used for. So, a suffix related বহুত questions আহিছে। বহুত questions মানে ইয়াতহে বেছিকে আহিছে নি। Normal question paper নিটত ইমান বেছি questions আহাৰ দেখা নাই, but we have to study. So suffix of what I'll do is I'll give you a list.
Question number কোনটো হলে?
এতিয়া নে অলপ আগতে?
Yes, ma'am. এতিয়া
53 টো কৰিলো, এতিয়া 57।
Okay, ma'am.
53 টো বুজি পালা ন? Question number 57 related, মই এটা বস্তু লিখি দিও, please write it down.
হেল্ল' মেম, এইটো কপি কৰি ল'ম নেকি?
Screenshot এটা লৈ লোৱা সোনকালে। Is the board clear? Boardখন clear আহিছে নাই?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Screenshot লৈ লোৱা. Instead of writing it down, screenshot লৈ লোৱা. চবে লৈলা নে?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll come to the next question. It is question number, okay, 57. 57 is a gom palu. OID, what is it?
Subfamily.
It is subfamily. Subfamily needs to be. Superfamily family dilu no, it is OID subfamily dilu. It is dilu. Next, question number 60. The name of a plant order ends with.
মেম অকমান ৰ'ব নেকি স্ক্ৰীনশ্বট
Hello, ma'am.
Ah.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, আপনি যে family দিলে যে AC to suffix to, ma'am, but ma'am, animals তো এটো নহব নেকি applicable?
No, plants আৰু animals অকমান হেৰি থাকিব দেই, exception থাকিব.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is number 60. 60 answer. এটা তো আমি পাৰিম থাকে ন?
Else.
60 কি দিছে answer? The question has been asked about order, and if you're talking about order, else. Okay. Next question is question number 67. এখন মুছিব পাৰো?
Ma'am, tribot কি লিখিছে এটো?
Tribe any, EAE.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, 53 টো বুজাই দিছে নেকি?
53, 53 বুজালো.
Ma'am, মোৰ নেটৱৰ্ক
বুজি পোৱা
গুচি
নাই?
গৈছিল। এবাৰ দিব নেকি? নেটৱৰ্ক গুচি গৈছিল।
Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, 53 চোৱা হা, 53 questionটো মই কি কৈছিলো যে তুমি যে সব বস্তু জানিব লাগিব not necessary, ঠিক আছে? ইয়াতে স্পিচিজৰ বিষয় বা ৰটনডাছৰ বিষয় যে জানিব লাগিব not necessary. ইয়াতে অকমান জিকে oriented মানে we have to think the question in that way. ইয়াতে চোৱা বাকি গোটেই কিটা তোমাৰ small letters লিখা আছে, এটা capital letters লিখা আছে। হয়?
Yes, ma'am.
স্মল লেটাৰ্ছত লিখা থাকিলে কি হয় স্পিচিজ হয় আৰু ক্যাপিটাল লেটাৰ যদি নাম এটা আৰম্ভ হয় দেন অবভিয়াসলি ইট উইল বি জেনাস রাইট তো অড ওয়ান কোনটো বাকি তিনটা স্পিচিজ এটা অড এটা
Okay,
জেনাস
ma'am.
ওকে
Thank you.
okay welcome question number 67 two animals that belong to the same kingdom but different classes they may belong to the same এটা চাই লোৱা two animals belong to the same kingdom but different class. Same kingdom but different class. Majot ki ase? Question to buji paisa na? Question number 67.
Phylum.
Right?
Phylum.
Same kingdom but different class. So we have phylum. Next. এই বস্তুটো সদায় লিখি লবা। Next question number 69. 69 তে অকমান ভাবি পেলাই কৰিব লাগিব। ঠিক আছে? So, আমাক কি বিচাৰিব লৈছে? Select the correct statements regarding this. Okay, first তো সাইডত হেকন লিখি লোৱা kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus আৰু species সেই পইণ্টটো লিখি লোৱা তাৰপিছত কোনটো সেন্টেন্স মিলে তাৰ লগত চাই লোৱা first is about A, that is family. A is a taxonomic category which contains a number of related genus. হয় নে নহয়? Obviously হয়. Family কি থাকে? বহুত কেইটা genus থাকে. Right? Next আহিছে B ৰ ওপৰত. B টো কি হৈছে? B is class. So it should be an information about a class. B কি দিছে? Examples of category B are monocotyledony, dicotyledony, mammalia, etc. Class for monocot, dicot. Correct. Number 3. Okay, number 3 is information about tree. Tree is nothing but kingdom. Tree represents the basic unit of taxonomic hierarchy. Obviously, not basic unit is species hoy, kingdom to no hoy. Next, examples of category C, kingdom, are fungi, monera, protista. Yes, 5 kingdom classification kami porichu. Protista is the kingdom, monera is the kingdom, fungi is the kingdom. So ultimately, keta correct palu ami. Number 1 is correct, number 2 is correct, 3 is wrong.
4 is
correct. So we have
Basic
option
unit-
number C.
Ma'am, basic unit of taxonomic hierarchy to taxon hoy. Ma'am, basic unit to taxon hoy no.
Basic unit of taxonomic hierarchy. Species.
species হ'ব
Taxon to protectuke taxon buli koy na. Taxon or rank. Kingdom is a taxon, phylum is a taxon. Right? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, come to question number 8C. Study the following statements regarding the preparation of herbarium sheets. Aru ki korbo lisa? Which of the following statements are not correct?
Hello ma'am, কোনটো question কৰিছে?
এতিয়া question number 80. 69 এটা doubt আছিলে, 69 clear কৰিলো। এবাৰ question number 80 এটা doubt আছিলে। Okay, herbarium related কোনটো incorrect সেটো চাবলৈ দিছে ন statement. First
ma'am,
statement,
77
plants should
টো
be
কৰিব
collected in the flowering stage.
Hello ma'am, 77 টো কৰিব নেকি?
77. Which of the following characters are mainly considered for declaring a new plant species? Which of the following characters are mainly considered for declaring a new plant species? Anatomical characters is plant species এটা আমি কেনেকে গম পাম? Floral characters. চোৱা আমি এই বস্তুটো কি পঢ়িছিলো জানা কিছুমান characters কি হয় কেতিয়াও change নহয় Do you remember we have talked something called as conservative characters
Yes
চাবা
ma'am.
notes খিনি চাবা right conservative
ma'am,
character
কৰিছে।
এটা plant species বা এটা plant কিবা এটা বস্তু পঢ়িবলৈ হলে আমি কোনটো character study হিচাপে লম something that rarely changes or never change almost that's a conservative character and flower
Yes ma'am.
is a conservative character right okay
Yes ma'am.
question number 80 regarding herbarium incorrect statements বিচাৰিব লৈছে let's go one by one plants should be collected in the flowering phase obviously it should be collected in the flowering phase নহলে plant ডালৰ flower কি তাৰ next species কি আমি গমে আগে next reproductive unit কি যদি নাথাকে plant ডালৰ একো value নাথাকে every details regarding the plant such as locality ecological condition vegetation and floral characters etc should be noted yes we have talked about the herbarium in the right hand corner eta ki thake eta information likhibole eta thake no right label that is also correct plants are evenly pressed by unfolding all the plant parts between blotting papers or newspapers correct blotting papers need not be changed until the plants get dried wrong because we have read that newspapers were horai change koi thakibo lage jate niki maximum moisture absorb hoy so that point is wrong after drying the plant species is carefully mounted or pasted on the herbarium sheet correct the herbarium sheet is labeled on the lower right hand corner correct so question is not correct only one
B হ'ব
not correct okay answer is B that is number 4 is incorrect no
Ma'am, reason to আকৌ কোনা
কোনটো কিয় কাৰণে ভুল ন ব্লটিং পেপাৰছ বিলাক তুমি এটা স্পেচিমেন উঠাই আনি পেলাই প্ৰথমতে কি কৰিবা নিউজ পেপাৰত থবা ন নিউজ পেপাৰত আমি কিহৰ কাৰণে থওঁ
শুকাবৰ কাৰণে
শুকাবৰ কাৰণে তো ময়শ্চাৰটো থাকিলে কি হ'ব প্লেণ্টডালত সোনকালে সি ডিষ্ট্ৰয় হৈ যাব right? Fungus grow কৰিব, right? So moisture to যিমান পাৰো সিমান আমি শুকাব লাগে। এখন newspaper থৈলে হ'ব জানো? কিন্তু already wet হৈ যাব ন? যদি if the newspaper itself becomes wet, কিন্তু absorb কৰিব নোৱাৰিব, so you have to keep on changing the newspaper, right? Okay, question number 97. Floral features are commonly used for identification of angiosperms because here to answer to এইমাত্ৰ দিলো, right? সদায় identify কৰিব লাগিলে mainly আমি কি চাওঁ? Conservative character চাওঁ, right? Conservative character ভিতৰত কি পৰিছে? Flower to floral characters are commonly used for identification of angiosperms because reproductive parts are more conservative. Next is NCERT example problems of process, question number 6. Botanical gardens and zoological parks have collection of endemic living species only, collection of exotic living species only, collection of endemic and exotic, collection of only local plants. To give this answer, you have to know the difference between endemic and exotic. Endemic or exotic or difference key?
Ma'am, gateway doubt.
Exotic foreign species.
Yes, exotic মানে তুমি বাহিৰৰ পৰা আনিছা। So botanical garden এখনত বাহিৰৰ পৰা আনা plants থাকে নে নাথাকে? কাৰণ আমি তাত study কাৰণে যাম। তাতে যে গজিছে হেতুটো নহয়, you will bring it from somewhere and then you plant it. We have talked about ex situ conservation. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, botanical garden is an example of which type of conservation? It's an example of ex situ type of conservation. And when we talk about ex situ, then obviously you bring things from outside. And outside does not mean it should be from your own country itself. বেলেগৰ পৰা আনিব পাৰা। So exotic to থাকে আৰু exotic থাকা মানে আমাৰ local country যি আছে সেইখিনি নাথাকিব নেকি? সেইটোও থাকিব। So the answer is both. Endemic মানে that belong to the particular area. সেই এৰিয়াটোত বজা species বিলাক বা থাকা species বিলাক তাক আমি কি কয়? Endemic to that area. Right? Assertion reason, I don't think I'll go by, but even then,
Ma'am, number 2 doubt.
huh?
Ma'am, number 8. NCERT exemplar.
NCERT exemplar number 8.
8.
Okay, just wait. All living organisms are linked to one another because they have common genetic material of the same type. They share common genetic material but to a varying degree. All have common cellular organizations, all of the above. So, all have common cellular organization to hoboi nware. Living organisms, plant cell, animal cell obviously does not have the same exact cellular organization. Right? Next, they have common genetic material of the same type. No, genetic material of the same type keneke hobo? Genetic material so hoday vary kore no? So the answer would be they share common genetic material but to a varying degree. As far as the genes are concerned, basic to ami hair thakibo, right? Tuli thakibo, nak thakibo, this thakibo, that thakibo, but they will have a variations among themselves because it is we are talking about sexual reproduction. Joti ki gamete fusion hoy, gamete diffusion hoy, tete hale variation hobo, right? So ultimately the answer would be AB.
Answer to wrong yes.
Ki diya ase answer?
All of these. All of these hobo নোৱাৰে ma'am.
Answer all of these diya ase? नहीं वो गलत है।
लेकिन मास्टर एनसीईआरटी में ऑप्शन बी दिया है मैम।
BDS
मास्टर द एनसीईआरटी तो ओ नहीं नहीं I don't know।
Master
पता है
means
आंसर तो किन्तु কিছুমান questions ভুল আছে কিছুমান answers ভুল আছে। Please don't look into the answer. Anytime you have a doubt with the question, put it into the habit of referring to your NCERT book. Right? Question might be wrong, answer might also be wrong. Right?
Yes.
So याते answer तो किन्तु BA होगा। It cannot be all of the above.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
यस मैम।
Okay, assertion reason, I don't think we should go by, right? যেহেতু নাহে তথাপি এটা কোনোবাই ডাউট দিছিলে question number 10. No point of discuss. Systematics is defined as a science of diversity of organisms in evolutionary context. Systematics is defined as a science of diversity of organisms. Systematics include interrelationship between organisms. Yes, it reads. Systematics is defined as a science of diversity. That is also correct. This is also correct. But
hello ma'am.
I don't think this is the true reason. কাৰণ অকল
Ma'am,
interrelationship লগতে নাথাকে হা কোৱা
ma'am, আপুনি যে এইমাত্ৰ ক'লে D2 নহ'ব কোনটো question number কথা কৈছে আপুনি ma'am?
question number 8 question number 8 NCERT example problem page number 14
Okay, oh yes ma'am.
thinking corners into question দিছে question number
Ma'am, সেইটো
4
doubt আছে ma'am.
question number 4 is according to me it's of no value ঠিক আছে as far as NEET is concerned
number 3.
এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ question কেতিয়াও নাহে
Ma'am 3. Ma'am,
okay question number 3 to বাৰু চাওঁ question number 4 uses and question number 8 অকমান কিবা এটা printing mistake আছে চাগে so we are not going into question number 8 কিবা ভুল আছে so please strike that off. Question number 3 we can try, but there is no point. But even then, let's see. First, come to question number 3 of thinking corner. Here is which of the following statements is incorrect? Term nothospecies refers to the naturally occurring interspecific hybrids. As the species do not change in time, therefore they are considered as static. Although আগতে আমি discuss কৰিছো ন যে species বিলাক static নহয় হয় চোৱা এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কুৱেশ্যনছত আকৌ মই এটা কথা কৈছো চোৱা যোনটো কৈছো যে each and every option যে তোমালোকে জানিবাই not necessary. For example, the term nothospecies you might not have any idea because that's not included in the course and we did not read it, right? So nothospecies দেখিলে confused হৈ নাযাবা. Please come to the next statement, right? ইয়াতে next statement to দিয়াই আছে আৰু questionটো কি সুধিছে is incorrect. So we are talking about just one incorrect statement. Right? So all the species do not change. So when we come to option number B, বাকি কিটা পঢ়িবটো দৰকাৰে নাই লাগিব নেকি?
নাই ma'am নহয় ma'am এই A2 এ confusion. Nothospecies বুলি আপুনি শিকোৱাটো নাই ন ma'am?
নাই this is all included in your book.
Yes ma'am, okay. Ma'am, no
Now
থাকিব
we know
পাৰে
from
নহয়
here that it refers to
নাজানো
naturally থাকে কিন্তু এতিয়া আমি গম পালো it gives us information also. Now we know that nothospecies কি হয় refers to a naturally occurring interspecific hybrid. So naturally occurring interspecific hybrid of কি বুলি কম nothospecies. He has already given me the answer, right? So not necessary. Question number 8 okay a mistake আছে so these are the questions from fingertips আৰু fingertips কিবা doubts আছিল নেকি তোমালোকে গোটেইবিলাকেতো মোক ডাউট পঠোৱা নাই it is only 3 or 4 students that have sent me doubts please doubts পঠাবা ঠিক আছে যদি নাথাকে since this is a living world chapter no seems to be comparatively easier no so I know it's বহুত বেছি doubts obviously নাথাকে এইটো chapter NCERT based যদি answer কৰিব পৰা নাই then it is a concern, right? You might be required to read it again and again. কিন্তু NCERT বাহিৰত থকা questions যদি পৰা নাই except a few, don't worry. So now I think we can go to master the NCERT. Master the NCERT is আৰু যদি কাৰোবাৰ doubts আছে ক'বা দেই coming to master the NCERT question number 3 among the following which is a common phenomenon exhibited by living and non-living organisms to show the feature of growth.
Ma'am,
Question to কিহৰ পৰা আহিছে
ma'am, ma'am, I new edition book like আছে
New edition খনত কি আছে question?
ma'am.
কোৱা মই শুনা পোৱা নাই কোৱাচোন আকৌ এবাৰ
Ma'am, new edition বেলেগ আছে
এইটো কি old
Yes,
edition
ma'am.
নেকি মই যোনখন কৈ আছো
Ma'am, new edition ত question টো বেলেগ আছে 3 টো
কোনখন কিতাপৰ কথা কৈছা? ফিংগাৰ টিপছৰ কথা কৈছা নে মাষ্টাৰ দা এনচিআৰটি কথা কৈছা?
Ma'am, master the NCERT.
মাষ্টাৰ দা এনচিআৰটি কি হৈ আছে? তোমাৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো মোৰ লগত মিলা নাই নেকি?
Yes, ma'am.
In that case, যদি মিলা নাই মোক WhatsApp কৰি দিবা question. ঠিক আছে?
Okay, ma'am.
এইখন তাৰমানে I didn't realize that this is a old edition. তোমালোকৰ
Ma'am,
blue
বহুতে
color
নিমিলে,
নহয়?
ma'am.
नहीं मैम 2-4 क्वेश्चन बस ऊपर नीचे है।
मैम
Ma'am, বহুতে নিমিলে।
বহুত নিমিলে। কোনোবা এজনে মোক নিউ এডিশ্যনৰ cover page to ফটোটো উঠাই পেলাই মোৰ নম্বৰ দি দিবাচোন। ঠিক আছে? Just to find out which one is new and which one is old. I didn't realize that maybe I had the old version. নতুনখন মোক কোনোবা one please take the responsibility and send me the cover page. Okay? আৰু যাৰ তেনেকে questions আছে মোৰ লগত নিমিলা personal number WhatsApp কৰিবা. I'll solve your question. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. A2 question, among the following, which is common phenomenon exhibited by living and non-living organisms to show the feature of growth? A2 question আছে নে নাই তোমালোকৰ?
Ma'am, master.
Yes ma'am.
What is the number?
5.
That is question number 5. So anyone having
Yes,
a
ma'am.
doubt in that question? Question number 5?
No, ma'am.
Clear, no? Okay, next question was about, according to my book, it's question number 10. I don't know. Why reproduction is an inclusive defining characteristic of living organism? Is this the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Why
Cannot-
reproduction is...
ma'am, why reproduction cannot be considered?
Why reproduction is an inclusive defining characteristic of living organism? More mother the question to pull us. No. Why more in my book the question is why reproduction is an inclusive defining characteristic of all living organisms. But the question should have been like this. Why reproduction is not an inclusive characteristic of all living organisms? Hetu question hudise niki?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer ki hobo? Reproduction
B,
is
ma'am.
not an inclusive characteristic of all living beings because there are certain living beings which are sterile. Option baki diya ase tumalokor.
Many
More
living
option
organisms. Many are sterile.
sterile, no? Option is B or what?
Ma'am, मेरा option C to क्यों ना होगा?
Reproduction is synonym to growth.
Yes,
Yet
ma'am.
why reproduction is not an inclusive defining character, no? So defining character or not defining character prove koribo lagile amar proper reason kita ami porisu, no? So we have to give the answer according to the reason that we have studied. Right? What are the defining characters? What are the not defining characters? We have read about it. 5 characteristics asile. Out of them, 2 are not defining and 3 of them are defining. Growth not defining, reproduction not defining. So when you are going to answer about, if a question is asked about defining and not defining, kiyo nohoy reason to upor answer koribo lagibo. Growth not defining, kiho karone? Because it is seen in both living and non-living. Reproduction not defining, kiho karone? You cannot give the same answer. Karon ami jano je reproduction okol kar hoy, okol living beings or reproduction hoy, non-living or eneo reproduction nohoy. Kintu happy that not defining kiho karone koise? Karon certain living organisms are sterile. If an organism is sterile, you cannot say that it is non-living. Right? Offspring nai, tar mane etu niki living nohoy. Right? So accordingly, ami kiho karone nohoy reason to upor he question to ahise. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Another doubt was question number 15 in my book. Process of metabolism leads to. Eto doubt ase niki kabar?
Question বেলেগ আছে। मेरा question টো বেলেগ আছে।
Question বেলেগ আছে?
Yes, ma'am.
কি question আছে বা?
ইয়াতে দিয়া আছে higher level of organization emerges from a tissue itself, interaction
Uh-huh.
among organelles. Ma'am, question 2 as a higher level of organization emerges from.
I'm not getting the question properly. So এনেকে ডিসকাস কৰিব অকমান দিগদাৰ হ'ব, তোমালোকে মোক হোৱাটছআপ কৰি দিবা কুৱেশ্যনটো, কাৰণ যেতিয়া ক্লিয়াৰ নহয় এটা ৱৰ্ড শুনা পাওঁ এটা ৱৰ্ড শুনা নাপাওঁ, ঠিক আছে?
Okay, ma'am.
হুম। Process of metabolism, I think that was not a doubt. Biological organization in living organisms begins at, এটা তো আমি কৰিছো ন? Biological organization in living organisms begins at, একদম আৰম্ভণিটো কি? Atomic level? I think in the class we have discussed that question. এইটো বা তোমালোকৰ কি নম্বৰ আছে? Question number 17 and question number 16. Question number 17 কি আছে চোৱাচোন? Biological organization level of living beings can be represented as, এইটো আছে নেকি?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Biodiversity can be best defined as.
Huh?
Biodiversity can be best defined as.
Biodiversity can be best defined as, সেইটো question তোমালোকৰ মতে কিমান নম্বৰ?
Number 17.
17.
Number 17. তাত কিবা ডাউট আছে নেকি 17 ত? 17 ৰ আনসাৰটো গম পাইছে নাই? According to your book it is 17, according to my book it's 19. আনসাৰটো জানো নে এইটো নে ক'ব লাগিব? Can you hear?
Ma'am, A to hobo, ma'am. Answer A hobo, ma'am.
Answer A, obviously.
A.
Occurrence of number and type of organism. মোক আৰু এটা ডাউট পঠাইছে, I don't know the number. ইয়াতে কুৱেশ্যনটো আছে, identify the correct statement given below. First statement কি দিয়া আছে? Cellular organization of the body is a defining feature of non-living forms. সেই কুৱেশ্যনটো আছে নেকি তোমালোকৰ? চোৱাচোন অপশ্যন এটা চোৱা, cellular organization of the body is the defining feature of non-living forms. এই বস্তুটো অপশ্যন 8 আছে। আছেনে কুৱেশ্যনটো নে নাই?
আছে ma'am, 103.
Question number 103.
Yes ma'am.
My question number is 18. Okay, please read that question. সেইটো ভুল আছে, মানে পাৰিছা নাই চোৱাচোন? Questionটো কি আছে? Identify the correct statement আছে নে identify the incorrect statement আছে?
Correct statement. Correct.
Correct statement আছে ন? Okay. সেইটো পাৰিছা ন? So এই এডিশনটো লৈ পেলাই অকমান প্ৰব্লেম হৈছে।
Ma'am, question number 18 or option C to কিয় নহব?
Question number 18 ৰ কি আছে?
Ma'am, আপোনাৰটোৱে হয় মোৰ edition.
ঠিক আছে। So ইয়াতে কুৱেশ্যনটো তোমাৰ মোৰ এডিশনখন একেই যদি, কুৱেশ্যনটোত কি আছে? Identify the correct statement given below. হয়নে?
Yes ma'am.
Hello.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. What is the question that is given in your book? Identify the correct statement given below বুলি লিখা আছে না identify the incorrect statement বুলি লিখা আছে?
Ma'am, correct লেখা।
Correct লিখা আছে, কিন্তু ইয়াতে চাবলৈ গ'লে option Q correct, option D correct, option B correct, হয় নহয়?
Yes ma'am.
Option D is correct, option C is correct, and option D is also correct. So
Yes ma'am.
there is a question, printing mistake in this book again. ইয়াতে কি হ'ব? Identify the incorrect statement and the answer would be A.
Okay ma'am.
Question number 52 according to my book, A group of related genera is called. A group of related genera would be called as what? বহুতবোৰ genus একেলগে থাকি পেলাই কি ফৰ্ম কৰে?
Family.
Family? genusৰ ওপৰত family আছে। সেইটো এটা ডাউট পঠাইছিলে। I don't know the question number. মোৰ এডিশন খন মানে ওল্ড এডিশন খন যাৰ আছে তাহাঁতৰ কিবা ডাউটস আছে নেকি? First let's talk about that because I don't have the new edition.
Yes, ma'am. 66.
Old edition যাৰ আছে
Ma'am, 66.
66. Why hierarchical taxonomic system is used? As each higher taxonomic category contains group taxonomy, it is helpful to establish classification. All taxonomic categories reflect common habitats. No. Taxonomic group. Okay, taxonomic categories reflect common habitats. Okay, taxonomic groups show similar characters and have no evolution relationships. No, it is full. আমার কোয়েশ্চনটা কি হচ্ছে এই হায়ারার্কিয়াল সিস্টেমটো আমি কিহৰ কাৰণে ইউজ কৰো টেক্সনমি কাৰণ হায়ারার্কিয়াল সিস্টেমটো কি হয় এটা এটা এনেকুৱা সিস্টেম য'ত গোটেইবিলাক বস্তু আমি প্ৰপাৰলি এৰেঞ্জ কৰিব পাৰো ৰাইট so as each higher taxonomic category contains group categories below it yes hierarchical বা hierarchy systemত আমি কৰিছো যাতে নেকি প্ৰত্যেকটো বস্তু টপ মোষ্টত যদি কিবা এটা আছে তাৰ তলত আমি কি বহুত বিলাক বস্তু এৰেঞ্জ কৰিব পাৰো আৰু যদি বহুত এৰেঞ্জ কৰিব পাৰো in form of rank, then we can have our total information about the organism, right? So, hierarchical taxonomy is used. It is helpful to establish classification. What is the importance of hierarchical taxonomy? The question to option over B. Here a question to see why it is used. It is used as each hierarchical taxonomy contains group categories below it. It is helpful to establish classification. All taxonomy categories reflect common habitats. A taxonomy group shows similar. No. All taxonomy categories is helpful to establish classification. As each hierarchical taxonomy categories contains groups or categories below it. It is used because, according to me, it should be option number A.
Okay, ma'am.
But I'll see into this. ঠিক আছে মই এটা আৰু অকমান ডিটেইলছ পাই পেলাই তোমাক কৈ আছো
Yes, ma'am.
কাৰণ অপশ্যন বি অলসো seems to be the correct answer
Yes, ma'am. It can't be confusion.
right I understand okay anyway question number 69 কোনবা ডাউট পঠাইছিলে which one of the following categories contains the least similar characters least similar characters ক'ত থাকিব if you are talking about this least similar characters ক'ত থাকিব as we go higher the taxonomic category ne lower the taxonomic category
Higher.
as we go higher so ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত অপচন যোনবিলাক দিয়া আছে তাৰ ভিতৰত হাইয়েস্ট কোনটো দিছে family genus order class so obviously highest কোনটো class so least similar characteristics ক'ত থাকিব out of the options given
Ma'am, division হব নেকি?
ক'ত আছে division
Ma'am,
Option D.
division.
optional division আছে নেকি
Yes, ma'am.
Option D.
কোনটো question 69 নে 70
Ma'am, 69 or option D. তাতে division আছে।
69 যদি option division আছে then obviously the answer would be division 70 to 69 and 70 question kita ek no
Yes, ma'am.
contains the least similar characteristics answer would be division
Yes, ma'am.
division মোৰ খন to division এ আছে which one of the following taxonomic characters can categorize rest all others question to likhute okman gondogol hoise yate question number 70 which one of the following taxonomic categories can categorize rest all others question to meaning e nai so what we understand is মেবি গোটেইকেইটা অপশ্যনত কোনে বেষ্ট ডিনোট কৰিব পাৰিব বা কোনটো বস্তুৱে চবৰ বিষয়ে ভালকে ক'ব পাৰিব সাপোজ we are talking about genus এটা genus যেতিয়া আমি genus category-টো পঢ়িলো তাত থকা species খিনিও আমি characteristics গম পাম এটা family যদি আমি ভালকে study কৰো family-টোত বহুত বিলাক genus থাকিব so if you are studying about this family you will have an idea about all the genus that is included in the family similarly if you are talking about class then you will have an idea about species or idea papa genus or idea papa family or papa order or papa so etu question to oman grammatically oman question to placement to thik hua nai kintu what I understand is এনেকুৱা এটা বস্তু যোনে নেকি বাকি গিটা ক্যাটেগরি ভালকে ডিফাইন কৰিছে বা ভালকে ক'ব পাৰিব তো ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত আছে ফ্যামিলি ক্লাস জেনাস আৰু অৰ্ডাৰ তো ক্লাসটো হ'ল সবতছে হাইয়েস্ট ক্লাসটো যদি পঢ়ো তো ইয়াৰো ডিটেইলছ কম পাম ইয়াৰো ডিটেইলছ কম পাম ইয়াৰো ডিটেইলছ কম পাম so the answer would be class মানে according to this question it will be class এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ question আহিলে কি আনসাৰ কৰিবা যোনটো হাইয়েস্ট ক্যাটেগরি সেইটোৱে কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ হ'ব Next, we have question number 87, which taxonomic aid provides all information about a particular taxon. Here the question ki ase, aapuli word to ase, no? So we are talking about one of them. So when we are talking about one, the answer would be D, monograph. Monograph ki asile, ekhon enuka ekhon book, jot eta particular taxonor information se likha ase. It might be information regarding one family. It might be information regarding one class, right? Question number 107 কোনবাই দিছিলে নেকি old edition
Yes, ma'am. মই দিছিলো।
তুমি দিছিলা can you identify the correct sequence of taxonomical categories কি problem আছে ইয়াতে species order family species genus order phylum একটু ভুল লাগিছে কোৱাচোন problem কোনখিনি পাইছা species
Ma'am, মই পাহৰি গলো।
এই বস্তুটো পাহৰিছা ন
নহয় মেম কিহৰ কাৰণে সার্চ কৰিছিলো পাহৰি গলো।
ওকে কাৰণ এইটোতো ডাউট মোস্ট প্ৰবেবলি হ'ব নালাগে এতিয়া পাইছা না আনসাৰটো দিবলে
এতিয়া বুজিছো।
ওকে গুড আৰু কাবাৰ কনফিউজন আছে নেকি question number 107 from the old edition okay question number 109 the same question I think we have repeated অলপ আগতে ডিসকাস কৰিছিলো it is B
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all so these were the doubts that were sent to me by the students as far as the rest of the doubts are concerned from that new edition book দুটা কথা first তোমালোকৰ questions বোৰ মোলে send কৰা WhatsApp second মোক কোনোবাই cover page of ফটোখন দিয়া and all of you don't start sending me কোনোবাই এজন please talk among yourselves and then send me ঠিক আছে কোনে ল'ব responsibility যাৰ নতুন edition okay so only কোন শেহবাজ নেকি
Yes, ma'am.
okay so you take the response and just send me the cover page okay so these were the doubts that we have collected from Living World right
Yes, ma'am.
আৰু কিবা
No, ma'am.
okay so this is a small chapter we have left out sent to be and please prepare yourself for the next chapter because the biological classification is a very long chapter so edinote to enege
ma'am আপোনাক ডাউট বোৰ WhatsApp-ত পঠাই দিম ন
ha কথা পঠাই দিবা ঠিক আছে খালি নিজৰ নামটো লিখিবা ঠিক আছে কোনটো ব্যাখ্যা বা কোনটো আহিছে I will have no idea ঠিক আছে please write your names and then send me your doubts and start collecting your doubts from the second chapter also biological classification biological classification korute please first NCERT at your fingertips on koriba karon hekon I think it's common for all of us new edition old edition ek issue nai niki tate right in the meantime Mom, after the NCERT, let me see if I can get myself a new edition. Right? That does not mean
Hello,
old
ma'am.
edition of questions na kothaba.
মেম মোৰ কেইটামান কুৱেশ্যন বেংকৰ ডাউট আছিলে মই এইকেইটা চেণ্ড কৰি দিম আপোনাক
Yeah, please.
ক্লাছত
Send koi diba.
Ma'am, more-
Jar living room. Yeah, please send me. Right? Then I'll give you the answer.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am,
Okay then. Thank you for today. We'll meet. Doubt class ketia hobo? Eta tumalok geology choli ase niki?
Ma'am, no.
Kintu biological classification er tumalok kiman din somoy lagibo? 1 week?
Yes, ma'am. হৈ যাব মানে
Ma'am,
হৈ
1
যাব?
week হৈ যাব. Yes, ma'am.
1 week হৈ যাব. So maybe next Monday যদি geology eko topic choli na thake, then we can have a class on next Monday also. Starting with biological classification. আৰু এইটো chapter to এটা class ত কেতিয়াও শেষ নহয়. I don't think so. হবও পাৰে, never know. Provided কিমান doubt
Okay.
আছে তোমালোকৰ. ঠিক আছে? So please take a time of 1 week. I cannot ascertain the next Monday class হবই. কিন্তু we'll prepare ourselves for next Monday. Right? Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.